1961 Plymouth Fury. Original poly 318, power steering, power brakes. This is the interior of the car. Has the original headliner. My interior light does not work, and why I do not know. I don't know if there's anything disconnected or what, I don't know. See door panels, side panels. Got a couple stuffed animals, and those are going to be staying with me. The only thing I did was put light tint on the windows. It took almost 6 years to restore the car. It needed a lot of work. My dad and I restored this car. It's got the original wheel covers. I have some literature for the car. This is the trunk. This car is for sale. I have boxes full of spare parts that will go with the vehicle. I put it in car shows, Christmas parades. I've taken it to cruisins. This is the 318. I converted to electronic ignition. I have a later model power brake booster and master cylinder. It has a newer later model alternator on the car. And I recently put a Diehard battery in it not too long ago. The radiator's been rotted out. It's got glass pack mufflers on it. Only one horn works. I think the other one's got a short in it, but I don't know what it is. I don't know. I have a radio that does work, but I got no antenna. I do have an antenna, which I gotta locate it so I can have it go with the car, and it needs to be installed. I'm asking $25,000 for this vehicle. I can only do cash only, no trades.